Introducing the BAVIN PC2103. Experience is universal plug with wide compatibility. United States plug, twist, it becomes an Australia plug, a United Kingdom plug, remove, attach, and tada! European plug. Features, plug protection. BAVIN leads other brands in the specifications. BAVIN is the best choice. All-in-one for charging, household appliances, computers, and more. Compact and portable, ultra lightweight, fire resistant, high quality materials with a universal socket. BAVIN PC2103, your travel companion. Get yours now.